Gonna be doing some blacksmithing here on the forge at Mills. Got a little blower fan, put some oxygen in there and get it heat cranked up. Now the steel is heating up.
I don't think it's red yet.
Not red yet. Gotta wait till it's red. So now we put another piece of used to be garage spring door opener steel in there to heat up. What are we going to use that for? We're just doing it for demonstration?
Yeah, I'll show you what happens to really hard steel if you don't temper it.
But it's become wimpy.
No, it's the opposite.
Oh.
Well, yeah. You think of tempering as being really hard? Nope. It's softening the steel actually a little bit from its maximum hardness.
Looks like your paraffin smoke in there.
Yeah, yeah.
That's paraffin and what?
Linseed oil.
Linseed.
It's a high carbon steel that hasn't been hardened. Oh, it does break real easy. Not,
that one's not breaking.
the part that hadn't been hardened broke real easy. I think this end is also not been hardened.
Snapped.
You can break it about as easy as glass.
Okay, it's been quite a number of minutes. We're making progress. There's the rope. And, we're putting this, making the step in it now. All right, there's the update. We're working on the cross member now. That'll fit on top of the pole. All right, here we go. I'm gonna make a point on this thing. All right. And here we have the finished product. It's got that little step down here that you step on and push it down on the ground. And it's designed to hold your barbecue tools.